This week, the trial for the man accused in the murder of Rachel Morin begins. The case made headlines locally and across the country as it highlighted questions of safety and immigration, a large component of President Trump's latest campaign. WMAR 2 News' Blair Sable joins us now. Blair, how will the increased public attention affect the trial?
Well, Mallory, not only is there an anticipation that there will be more people watching the trial in person, but lawyers might have a tough time finding potential jurors who haven't already heard of this case before it even begins. That in and of itself is not a disqualifier, but rather if they say they cannot be fair and impartial with what they already know. It was a case that gripped Harford County and the nation.
I think it was a real shock to the community.
Now Rachel Morin's accused killer, Victor Antonio Martinez Hernandez, will go to trial this week after months of delays. He faces kidnapping, rape, and murder charges. In January, a judge denied his request to move venues due to the high-profile nature of the case.
It is a big undertaking, particularly for a small county as Harford County, but they are ready, they are prepared.
It's anticipated to take 2 weeks with a jury pool of hundreds of Harford County residents and at least 30 witnesses to take the stand. The case reignited conversations around immigration and safety as the defendant illegally entered the country and is linked to previous violent crimes.
It garnered a lot of attention, but really this trial is about finding closure for the family, finding justice.
And with the increased attention on the case means increased security and road closures throughout the trial.
So we've had months of meetings, practice, operation plans. We've put a lot of things into effect.
The Harford County Sheriff's Office, which handles court security, reports no credible threats or anticipated protests, but Major Lee Dunbar says they're ready to handle whatever may happen.
If you don't need to be here, please don't. That only just makes our jobs harder to do as far as security and traffic control and foot traffic control.
I reached out to the prosecution and the defense in this case. The state's attorney's office has declined to comment until the verdict is reached, and the public defender's office in a statement said that their client asserts his innocence and looks forward to his day in court. There are many unanswered questions in this case, and we are prepared to hold the state to its burden. Now, the length of this trial also poses a challenge. Rice says it'll really be a test of both sides to make sure the jury is paying attention when it matters most. They will have to reach a unanimous decision to convict.